Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today's video is on what's up this week. So without further ado, let's jump in. Hey guys, it's Darlene. All right, I know you're like, whoa, what did she change clothes? No, I forgot something really important that I wanted to share with you. That happens sometimes because it's a 53-year-old brain. I have a giveaway in this video. The reason I want to do it is, look, we're all going through something that we have never gone through before. And it's stressful financially, health-wise. It's just a mess. I asked you many weeks ago what y'all wanted video-wise, and I love that you were like, just do what you do. And I'm like, okay. I wanted to give away something that would make somebody happy, right? So what I decided to do was I picked up a Kate Spade bag. And I thought to myself, you see, it's all brand new. It's still, I have never opened it. It's all, and I'm not going to. It's a tote. I'm gonna leave everything wrapped exactly how it is. The little taggy thingies on it still. And I love the color. I think it's beautiful. It's sort of this orangey red, and then the interior is a tan. So it's this really beautiful tote, and I thought it's just perfect for summer. And I just thought, you know what? Maybe it'd make somebody happy, right? You know, and put a smile on their face. The reason I do the videos I do, because these are the things you asked for. You know, y'all wanted me to continue doing fashion and just doing what I do. And so if it brings a little bit of joy to y'all, then I'm so happy to do it. And it helps me too, because I feel like I'm actually talking to people, even though y'all can't answer me back except for in comments. I feel like I'm with you, you know? So to enter the contest, I'm a real simple girl. All you have to do is click the link in the description box and I'll tell you what to do. And it's really simple. And I will box it up and put it in the mail to you. Hey, go away. Click the link. It'll be very self-explanatory. I hope that makes sense. Now let's get back to what we were talking about. Let's start. So on Monday, which will be tomorrow, this is Sunday, I am going to have favorites, fails, and empties for the month of April. So that'll be on Monday. On Wednesday, I will be doing an eye look for spring. It's one of my favorite eye looks. Several of you mentioned it. I wore it, where I did that eye look for Easter. Eye look, that will be on Wednesday. And then on Friday, I will have fashion. And more than likely, it's going to be Banana Republic. Fingers crossed. Because remember, I ordered more things and now there's a problem with shipping some of it. And I'm like, but whatever I have, I'm going to show you on Friday. I think that's just what I'm going to do. And so, in fact, this dress right here is one of them. It is so silky. It's like a satin. It's so pretty. Look at these little flutter sleeves. I do have to wear a cami because y'all know by now I've had a vasectomy. I bought it in 2 colors, so I will show it. I got it in this beautiful navy, and then I got it in a gorgeous rust. And I think they may have it in one other color. So that's what's going on this week. Now, as far as some of the things that I did purchase, I'm just gonna show it here because it's hard for me to bring in all this stuff. So I've been teaching, if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should. If you want to get to know me a little more and a little bit more about my family, I post things on there. I also post things when I see a really good deal, like that lilac skirt, y'all. It's under $20. They were out of stock and now they're back in stock. So yay, hey. Hopefully that sale's still going on when this goes up. That's sometimes, well, this is going up tomorrow, so I think the sale is still going on. And so yeah, it's like a steal, under $20. And speaking of a steal, these earrings are back in stock. These ones are from Ann Taylor. Those are those, I call the nugget earrings. They are in stock in the silver, and you see how beautiful they are. They shine, shine, shine. And then one of your favorite earrings from the jewelry haul on Friday were those gold ones. I will post that here. They're on sale as well. Love sales. So that's what's going on. So I've been, as I was saying, I've been teaching my son. You know, we've been trying to do other things, and I taught my son backgammon. He's very good now. He can beat his mom sometimes, not all the time. And I play. to win. we had this whole conversation about, do you want me to let you win? He goes, yeah. And I go, really? Okay, I'll let you win. He goes, no, because then it wouldn't be. And I said, see? So I got a backgammon set off of Amazon. So I know in a lot of places, stores are opening. I don't go. I don't know how many of you are planning on going to stores and restaurants. I'm in Texas and plan on doing exactly what I've been doing for the last 6 weeks, which is staying in my house and, you know, my neighborhood, whatever, and only going out when I absolutely have to. But that's me. I wouldn't feel comfortable in a restaurant at all. I would be a nervous wreck, and I want that experience to be what it used to be, where I enjoy going out and having a glass of wine and a nice dinner and stuff like that. And I'd be freaked out about everything that I touched, that other people touched, and yeah, it just would not be good. So that's great. Another thing that I picked up was, this is like so random. I hope you guys don't mind me just sharing like random things. I wanted a really big laundry container. I'll call it like a hamper, but it's not a hamper. So originally I had like, you know, those big plastic buckets with 2 handles on it. That's what I had in my laundry room. That is not very pretty. So I bought this one off of like Overstock, I think, and it came in, I put it together, and I was like, oh my God, I love it. It's on wheels. The bag that sits in it is easily cleanable. It's almost like a canvas on the outside, but then sort of a plasticky material on it, so if things are wet or something like that, and it holds so much. And you can move it wherever you want to, but you have to have a big space for it. It is quite large. On the website it looks smaller than it is, but I have a big laundry room, so I'll just show you a picture of it here. So that's new and I love it. Finally put it together. I have one that literally needs to be put together. It's a wood for my bathroom, and it's been in the entryway for like 2 weeks. I know. I don't know when I'm ever gonna get to it, but you'd think with all this time on my hands I would, but I've been doing a lot of yard work. And for those of you, I have mentioned Grove once or twice before. Grove was new to me a couple months ago, before all of this started. And it's a subscription service that you pick all natural products from. It could be everything from makeup, skincare, but I was more interested in cleaning products. The way it has started for me was that I wanted to change to bamboo toilet paper and paper towels. It's not like I wanted to, but to help the environment, I did, because bamboo grows like weeds, trees do not, and hey, I'm all for helping the environment when I can. So I switched to that, and then I started wanting to switch all of my, you know, like laundry soap and dish soap and hand soap to more of an all natural. Then of course the pandemic happened, and then I was like, give me anything that'll kill a germ. And they do have stuff on there. Not now, because everything is sold out. But that's how I that's how I got started on it, was wanting to just, you know, have better products, safer products. And I love they always write something nice on the box. Like this time around they said, stay safe. I mean, it's really like it's handwritten. So I wanted to show you a couple things that I picked up. They're not cleaning products. I did get some cleaning products and stuff in, but they'll come out with a design every so often. I don't know if it's every month, because, you know, like I said, I'm fairly new to this, but they came out with this beautiful blossom collection. And so I had shown you in one of my videos the little piece of marble that I kept on my countertop to keep the water off of it. Well, this is a bigger tray, so I can put my hand soap, my dish soap, and my little sponge holder on this tray, and it's beautiful. It has these beautiful pink blossoms, just perfect for spring. So I picked that up. I thought it was gorgeous. They had a tea towel in the same pattern, and then I got so to cut down on plastic, they have refillable glass soap dispensers, and this one is in the Blossom collection. So it has it's a clear glass, but then it has the pink, sort of a pinkish color silicone that sits on the bottom so it doesn't slide anywhere, and then a beautiful silver pump. I actually ordered one for my daughter too, because they did have hand sanitizer but you could only pick one. But I don't like paying for shipping, so I had to have $50 in the order to ship it to her. So I was like, you're gonna get a lot of surprises. So I got her tea towels and soap, and she was so excited. She's like, this is awesome. So I got that, and I really love it because you could just buy it comes in like a pouch, and you just pour the soap in, and it saves on plastic because the pouch is more biodegradable. So those are some of the new things. The other thing is I picked up bamboo band-aids. Yes, and so they're more biodegradable, and I love the container. You know, I'm gonna show you everything here. I'll go through the house and take a picture. So I was excited about that, because we always need band-aids. I've got a kid and a husband that always are scratching themselves and banging themselves. So those are some of the new things. So yeah, I was really excited to get my order in yesterday, and I love the Blossom collection. And I will tell you, a lot of the collections, if you like something, the collections sell out really fast. And there was some other things that I wanted, and I was like, it's sold out. And I hate when things are sold out. I'm like, it's so bent. I happen to believe, as a previous medical person, and as my husband being a medical professional, that we should all be wearing masks. We should do whatever is necessary to help protect our neighbors. Again, I have to be very careful what I say on YouTube or anywhere else, because then I'll get a whole bunch of, you know, and it's like, I don't want that. I don't need any stress in my life. I'm already stressed out as it is. So but I did get some really cute masks. So one of the masks that I just want to shout out to, and I will put her Instagram in the box. She actually won Project Runway many years ago, and I've actually shopped at her boutique in Houston in the Med Center when I lived there, before she ever even won Project Runway. What she does is they sew, and they've been sewing masks for healthcare professionals free of charge, for those that can't afford it, free of charge. She was willing to send me mine free, and she's like, but it's gonna take some time. And I'm like, oh no, I wanna pay so that it will help you, you know, be able to afford more fabric for the thing. So I'll just show you a picture of the ones that we got from her, because I picked up one for my son, husband, and myself. And then I picked up the cutest one for my daughter. My daughter works for an optometrist, so I thought this was a really cute one for sort of being in a, I'll say, medical, you know, building. It's really cute, and so she can't wait to get that one. I got her a plain grade one because it could ship right away, because she went back to work this past week. So anyway, so I'll list some of the Etsy places that we've ordered, and also then the one from Houston. But I think she ships anywhere. I mean, I live in the Woodlands and she shipped to me, so I'm sure she ships anywhere. She has some really cool ones. So if those little straps hurt your ears, which I'm not really fond of, she has new ones that are basically one piece of material that goes all the way around, and they're waterproof. They repel bacteria or something, I don't know, but anyways, some of my favorites. All right, so that's it for what's coming up this week and some of the new little things that I've purchased. We're getting ready to have to rebuild our deck. I'm not a happy camper. We had a beautiful deck, what I thought was a beautiful deck, and the previous owners, like everything else they did in this house, they did the shoddiest they could do. Like the fence we tore down, if y'all saw that on Instagram, that was done, they did it with finishing nails. So it's easy to tear down, so yay. But unfortunately, they didn't use treated wood for our deck, so it's completely rotten underneath. And so I used to be a real estate appraiser, so I designed the deck. I'm gonna do a whole video on it because I think it's gonna come out really pretty, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's what's been going on. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You guys have a wonderful week. I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe.